Lesson 1, Concept 3, Writing Fractions as Decimals. So this is the opposite operation of what we just practiced, but it is actually even simpler. There's really just the one step. If you're converting a fraction to a decimal, all you're going to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. So you're going to use long division, place the denominator on the outside, the numerator goes inside, and then you're going to evaluate with long division. 8 goes into 30 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract. We get 6. Gonna need another 0, so bring that down. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtract. We're left with 40. Need another 0. Bring it down. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. There's no remainder. Make sure you bring the decimal straight up. And that is our answer. 3/8 is equal to 0.375. And that's it.